You may have never considered a career working for a wastewater utility, but there are many great clean water jobs available, now and in the future, at wastewater treatment plants like LOTT's. Let's try some of these on for size. As a wastewater operator at LOTT, your office is 14 acres of state-of-the-art equipment, moving millions of gallons of water a day. You use science and technical know-how to monitor processes, make sure everything is operating effectively, respond to changing conditions, and anticipate potential problems before they happen.
The operators were really the eyes and ears of the plant.
Constantly monitoring flows, processes, and equipment to be sure that all of this equipment is operating at top performance.
My favorite thing about working here, just the challenges that we get to deal with. Every day there's something new to deal with, and which means that there's always something new to learn.
Or how about as a water quality analyst? You work in the lab testing for levels of nutrients in the influent and effluent.
We analyze water and what's coming in and what's going out, and making sure we're producing quality effluent out to the bay. That's our job.
You monitor the health and diversity of microbe populations. Your test results verify that the treatment processes are working properly.
Wastewater treatment is super important, and it's a huge passion of mine. Not everybody has wastewater treatment in the world, and this is sort of the first line of defense of both public health and then environmental health.
If you like biology and chemistry, water quality analysts put that passion to work in the real world. Or as a maintenance technician, you use your finely honed skills to maintain and repair complex equipment like massive pumps, compressors, and generators.
Yeah, keeping the process going here is our job. We try to minimize breakdowns. There's a lot of automation here in the plant, so we have to be on our toes at all times.
Or how about engineer or construction manager?
What do? I do one of I think is the best job here, which is managing construction projects. I help build facilities to treat the wastewater, decide how much capacity we need, how much wastewater we're going to treat in the future, and then you can plan and design and get to build big facilities like this. I really enjoy doing what I do.
Yes, there are many interesting careers in wastewater, which are a great fit for people who like science, technology, engineering, and math. Visit lottcleanwater.org to find out more.